I am going to explain linear differential equation. Okay, so as you know, what is differential equation? So we have y is a function of x. Okay, so here y is called dependent variable. Okay, and here x is called independent variable. Okay, so also you know dy by dx. dy by dx means derivative of y with respect to x. Okay, so a relation between dependent variable, independent variable and its derivative. So this is called differential equation. Okay, so now order and degree. This is very important in any differential equation. So what is the order and what is the degree? Okay, so first you see this is a y is a function of x. So y is dependent and x is independent. So how many times you differentiate means dy by dx or d2y by dx2 or d3y by dx3. So in your differential equation, how many differentiation used? Okay, so this is called order. And degree, so degree of highest order of differential equation is called degree. It means I am going to explain very nice example. Means in your differential equation highest derivative is n and dny upon dxn. Okay, plus some a1 dn minus 1y upon dx n minus 1. Okay, plus a2 dn minus 2y upon dx n minus 2. Okay, plus up to so on a and y equal to 0. So this is a differential equation. So first you see how many maximum time differentiation of y. So here n times, because this is n minus 1. Okay, so maximum derivative is n. So order is n. Okay, so this is very easy to see. Only you see how many maximum number of differentiation of dependent variable. So this is order. And only you see this, only this thing. Okay, if here p, here q, here r, so degree is p. Okay, degree is p. Either p is less or not. Suppose this is 4, this is 6. Okay, this is 5. So degree is 4 because highest, what is the degree? Maximum order of differential equation, maximum degree of order of differential equation. Means you first check what is the order and degree of this is called degree of whole differential equation. So this is the order and degree. Now what is the meaning of linear? So as you know, linear means degree is 1. Okay, so linear differential equation, the definition of linear differential equation means a differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q is called linear differential equation in y. Okay, so this is standard form. Here p and q are functions of x or constants. Okay, means p is function of x only and similarly function of x only are, these are constants. Okay, so both possibilities allowed. So this is a linear differential equation. So a differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Here p and q are functions of x or constant. So you see y is dependent, x is independent. So how many differentiation of y? How many times? So 1 means only one derivative contains is this differential equation. So order is 1 and degree is 1. So this is called linear. Okay. So how we will solve linear differential equation? Okay. So this is very easy to solve this differential equation. So first you check your differential equation is linear. So first we find the integrating factor. Okay, integrating factor means if you multiply this factor, so this is very easy to integrate. So integrating factor is equal to exponential e to the power integral p of dx. Okay, and then solution is y into integrating factor is equal to sine of integral q integrating factor, and then integrate this dx plus c, where c is constant. Okay, c is constant of integration. So this is the technique to solve linear differential equation. Okay, so one example I want to explain, very easy example. Suppose this is a differential equation 1 plus x square dyy dx plus 2xy is equal to cos x. Okay, so now first you convert your differential equation in standard form. Means first you convert dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Okay, so coefficient of dy by dx is always 1. So first you divide 1 plus x square. So here dy by dx plus 2x upon 1 plus x square into y is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square into cos x. Okay, so first you compare your differential equation with this standard form. So here p is equal to 2x upon 1 plus x square and q is equal to cos x upon 1 plus x square. So first we calculate integrating factor. So what is integrating factor? Integrating factor is e to the power integral p dx. Okay, so this is e to the power p is 2x upon 1 plus x square dx. So we have what is the integration of this thing? So this is, if you put 1 plus x square is equal to t, so 2x dx dt upon t log t. Okay, so this is e to the power log 1 plus x square. Okay, this is very easy because this is basic integration. You put 1 plus x square is equal to t. Okay, so you get 2x dx is equal to dt. So here dt upon t log t means log 1 plus x square. Also you have e to the power log x is equal to x. So we get 1 plus x square. Okay, so this is integrating factor. As you know, what is the solution? This is the solution. Y into integrating factor is equal to q e to the power px dx plus c. Okay, so this is very easy to solve solution. Okay, so solution is y into integrating factor means 1 plus x square is equal to sine of integral q. Q is cos x upon 1 plus x square into integrating factor dx plus some constant c. So this cancel and we get cos x dx plus c. So what is the integration of cos x? This is sin x. Okay, so sin x plus c. So this is the answer, means y into 1 plus x square is equal to sin x plus c. Bernoulli's equations. Okay, so equations reducible to be linear form. Okay, because we have solved many questions in linear differential equations. So now we will explain Bernoulli's equations. So equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q y to the power n. Okay, so we have seen dy by dx plus py is equal to q, means y power n is equal to 1. So this is linear in y. But if here coefficient of q is y to the power n, then this is a Bernoulli differential equation. Okay, so how we solve? So first we divide y to the power n on both the sides. Okay, so we get y to the power minus n dy by dx plus p y to the power minus n plus 1 is equal to q. Okay, second step is that you put y to the power minus n plus 1 is equal to v. So minus n plus 1 dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. Okay, so this is the second step. Now substitute minus n plus 1 y to the power minus n. Okay, now we substitute this value in given differential equation. So this is 1 upon minus n plus 1 dv by dx plus pv is equal to q. Because we need coefficient of dv by dx is equal to 1, because we have a linear differential equation in standard form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. This is linear differential equation. So our aim is to convert in this standard form. Okay, so here dv by dx, so first we multiply minus n plus 1 on both the sides. So we get dv by dx plus minus n plus 1 pv is equal to minus n plus 1 into q. Here p and q are functions of x alone or constant. So this is linear in v. So we can solve this by linear method. Okay, means this is standard form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So this is very easy. First we calculate integrating factor and then solution. Okay, so this is the Bernoulli method. So now I am going to explain an example of Bernoulli Samikaran equation. Okay, so now one equation, solve the equation x dy by dx plus y is equal to xy cube. So first we see very carefully given differential equation, means degree of this differential equation is 1. So this is linear. Okay, also first our aim is to convert in standard form. So we see degree of y is 3, also y is 1. So this can be converted in Bernoulli form. So first we divide by, this is y cube. So either you can divide x, because this reduced by in standard form. So dy by dx plus 1 upon x y is equal to y cube. Okay, so this is dy by dx plus py is equal to qy to the power n. Here p is equal to 1 upon x, q is equal to 1. So this is Bernoulli equation. So first we write here Bernoulli equation. Okay, so in Bernoulli equation our first step is coefficient of q, means y cube. So dividing by coefficient of q. So now here q is 1 and y to the power cube 3. So on dividing y cube, so we get y minus 3 dy by dx plus y minus 2 yx is equal to 1. Okay, next step is we put y minus 2 is equal to v. Okay, so minus 2y differentiating, minus 3 dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. Okay, so this is the next step. So here y minus 3 dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon 2 dv by dx plus y minus 2 is equal to v, so 1 upon x, v is equal to 1. Okay, this is the next step. Now this is very easy because we need coefficient of dy by dx is equal to 1. So here coefficient of dv by dx is equal to 1. So by multiplying by minus 2, so dv by dx minus 2 upon x v is equal to minus 2. Okay, so here we see linear in v. Okay, so now integrating factor. What is integrating factor? E to the power p. So we compare the standard form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So here p is nothing but minus 2 upon x and q is nothing but minus 2. Okay, so integrating factor minus 2 upon x dx. So this is e to the power minus 2 log x. We know the property of log, so e to the power n log m is equal to log m to the power n. Again, since e to the power log x is equal to x, so this is x to the power minus 2 or 1 upon x square. Okay, now solution. So solution is v into 1 upon x square is equal to sine of integral q. What is q? So q is minus 2. This is our equation. dy by dx, dv by dx minus 2 upon x, v is equal to q. So this is minus 2. So v into integrating factor is equal to sine of integral q is minus 2. Again integrating factor dx plus c. Okay, now this is very easy. So v upon x square equal to integration means minus 2 is constant, 1 upon x square. So integration upon x square is equal to 1 upon x with negative sign plus some constant. Okay, so v equal to, we multiply x square, so 2x plus cx square. Okay, now putting the value of v. What is v? V is nothing but y to the power minus 2. So this is equal to 2x plus cx square. So this is answer. Okay, so this is the solution.